If you're like me and couldn't make it to this year's automation fair, you're probably feeling some serious FOMO right now. Don't worry, I've got you covered. We're breaking down the top 5 things you missed at this year's event that are going to change the future of industrial operations. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Brian, and let's jump right in. The biggest takeaway, Rockwell Automation is leading a major shift from industrial automation to industrial autonomy, where systems learn and adapt in real time. Think of it like this. Your production line isn't just following pre-programmed instructions anymore. It's making smart decisions on the fly, optimizing performance as it goes. This is all thanks to the power of AI, advanced robotics, and software-defined automation. And the really exciting part is that these technologies are already being integrated into existing workflows. Now let's talk about AI. One of the biggest concerns with new technology is that it requires a complete overhaul of your existing systems. Not with Rockwell Automation. They've made AI practical and accessible by seamlessly integrating it with what you already have, maximizing productivity without a ton of risk. A great example, Vision AI. Imagine a system that can spot a defective product on your production line just by looking at it. No complex programming required. Vision AI uses neural networks to learn what a good and bad product looks like, just by providing it with a few samples. It's like having a quality control expert built right into your camera system. But that's not all. Rockwell Automation is also revolutionizing PLC programming. FactoryTalk Design Studio Copilot is an AI-powered tool that lets you write PLC code using natural language prompts. Think about it, instead of wrestling with complex ladder logic, you can simply tell the system what you want it to do, and it writes the code for you. This is an absolute game changer for anyone who works with PLCs. It simplifies programming, reduces errors, and produces overall productivity. And speaking of productivity boosts, one of the coolest things that we saw at the fair was the focus on the digital twin. It's not just a cool concept anymore, it's a core element of AI development. Emulate 3D allows you to create a virtual replica of your entire production line, a digital twin. This twin becomes a risk-free training ground for your AI agents to learn and optimize performance before they even touch the real-world system. It's especially valuable when setting up new systems or upgrading existing ones, where historical data might be scarce. Now, software-defined automation, or SDA, is another game changer we need to talk about. This isn't just about having a virtual PLC. SDA aims to redefine the entire automation architecture. Rockwell Automation is working towards a system where you can deploy various automation functions, whether it's robotics, vision, or advanced control, as independent workloads on a shared platform. Imagine having a system that's as flexible and scalable as your cloud infrastructure, but for industrial automation. This is the future SDA is building towards. And finally, let's talk about the edge. With all this talk about the cloud, it's easy to forget the crucial role the edge plays in connecting our systems. Rockwell Automation gets this. They're committed to bringing SDA to the edge, with deployments on industrial PCs and new form factors like Logix Edge. This will allow for seamless integration between on-premise equipment and cloud platforms, creating a truly unified automation environment. So there you have it, the top 5 things you missed at Rockwell Automation's Automation Fair. The key takeaway, the future of industrial operations is all about autonomy, flexibility, and seamless integration across the entire system. And the best part, it's all happening right now. Make sure you subscribe to stay updated on the latest developments in everything industrial automation. Make sure to leave any questions you may have down in the comments down below, and I'll do my best to answer them. See you next time.